Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to be an NFT content creator. So now I've recorded 2 or 3 videos on NFT. If you don't have any clue what is NFT, you can go back to those videos, but today I am going to focus on how to do the application, the things that you need to specify in order to be approved so that you can be an NFT creator. So who can be an NFT creator? I believe even if you are 9 years old, as long as you have access to a computer, you can create pictures or even videos that can sell as an NFT. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop so I can show you how to do this application.
So you obviously need to have an account on Binance. So if you don't have an account, you can go to this video description and then you will get a link which you can create your Binance account. And then once you are approved and now have this Binance account, you can log in, whether you log in with using a cell phone or you can log in using the laptop. So now I am logging in using a laptop. So when you go to NFTs, and I do have like 3 or 4 videos which talks about NFTs. So if you do not know what is NFTs, you can watch these videos so that you can understand, because what's the point of being an NFT content creator if you do not know what is an NFT content creator? So when you click marketplace, you would see that there's top sales, top collections. So these are the ones that are selling the most, and then these are the ones that are top sales. Top creators is the one that where you are going to fall part of. So these are the top ones. So obviously if you do well, you will also be one of the top creators. So this person created 2.42 million USD. So that's how much money you can even make if you focus on this and create content that is loved by people. So when you click view more, you would see that it lists exactly how much money they made in terms of volume and then sales, and then you can go to this creator. So basically you will also create your name as a creator as well. So this more box, more verse, and also there's Braindom Games, and then there's X Metaverse. So these are the people. So if you want to see the content that they are creating, so maybe to leverage and just see what kind of content sells the most, you would see this is what they are creating. So you can also create something similar but then come up with your own. So obviously this person wants faces that are 4 corners, and then this is what is created. And then you can see for this picture, if someone buys, they're buying for 158 rand, which is 10.8 BUSD. So now do remember, a lot of people can buy. So if you click this picture, you would see how many people actually bought this picture. And then remember, only one owner can happen at a time. So this is the person who actually minted, this is the person who created, and then this person bought. And now the price was 145.49 rent, and now it's 152. So the next person who's going to list this, they can list with a different price as well. So I can also buy this this NFT. So if I buy now, my name will be listed here, and I will also be one of their owners, and then the picture will be mine at that time. I can also list it at a different price. So what you are going to do, you're not only going to be a buyer and a seller, you are going to be the one who's going to create these pictures. Do you see how easy it is? You just need to create something that people love. And then let's go back to Mobox so you can see some of the content that this person is creating, and then we can go back to another one so you can see, like, let's go to Braindom Games so you can see what else this person is creating. So this is a different content creator. So this is what this person is creating, and then as you can see, the price for this one is actually 5,921, meaning there's a lot of people who bought, or he started listing the price as high. But then let's just go and view the initial price of this NFT. Okay, so the listing price for him, he actually listed this price very high, and then if someone buys, obviously they will own this, and then you can create anything, guys. Do you see how easy it is? You don't need to be a content creator. You can hire someone to create these things, and then you can list these things. And now let's just go to the application process, because I do want you guys to understand how to apply. So when you go to Binance NFT, at the bottom you will see an email Let's see if I can see it from here. Okay, maybe I do not need to be under a content creator. So when you go back to the initial page, at the bottom you see an email which is nft@binance.com. So you'll be sending an email to this requesting for you to be an NFT content creator. So how do you do it at this point? So there are a list of questions that you need to ask, but do not worry, I will help you to deal with those questions, because you do need to answer specific questions, and I don't think they actually gave us, but then I'm sure if you go to their blog and community, they will tell you what questions to answer. But then I already compiled these questions for you guys so that you can know what to answer, and then you can go to their blog as well, and then you will see more information that you need. So now let's go back to this Word document. This is what I've answered. So basically that email that I sent, I actually answered these questions. So you just send an email to this group, and then all you say is you give an introduction. So give an introduction of what you all about. So if you are maybe like a secretary or an administrator or a scientist, just make sure that it does align with what NFTs are all about. So say for example, maybe you are a helper, for example. Just make sure that you do answer in a way that it will align to NFT. So say for example, maybe you clean people's houses, you can just say I clean, and create maybe a picture of an NFT, which is a picture of a person cleaning but in a cartoon form. So just make sure, all I'm saying is that whatever career you are from, just make sure that you do align to what NFTs are all about. So for me, I just said I'm a software developer. That on its own, it already puts me in a development side. So for me, and then also being a crypto YouTuber, that also put me on a better side, because I'm already clued up when it comes to NFTs, and this is the content that I post. And then you do need to specify your social media handles. So the next one after introduction, specify your social media pages and then list them. So for me, I did add Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. So you can add whatever you want to add so that they can follow you and see if you are a person and not a scammer. And then your understanding on NFT. So just explain what is an NFT and what do you understand? I mean, I've taught you a lot. You can just go back to my videos and see what information I've given you guys on NFTs. And then after that, and then why do you want to apply for Binance NFT Innovation Creator Program? So you will explain why you want. So I just said I love creating and expressing my creativity, and of which is true. And then the next thing that you want to answer is what kind of NFT content are you going to list on Binance NFT Marketplace? So, and then you just explain, and then you just give whatever examples, and then just say, so at the moment what's selling is pictures of monkeys and pictures of cryptos. So just explain what you want to explain there. And then also, how many NFT art pieces are you able to prepare? So speak to your graphic designer, or if you're not a graphic designer, make sure that you get your graphic designer to create the content that you want, but you do see that the main thing that you need to do is to be creative and make sure that you understand. Right, let's just do a quick review of what you are going to answer. You put the introduction, you put the social media pages, you put your understanding on NFTs and why do you want to apply for Binance NFT Innovation Creator, what kind of NFT content are you going to list on Binance, and then how many NFTs art piece are you going to be prepared. So those are the questions that you want to answer, and then take that email, take that content that you just answered and email to Binance at the bottom there is an email address which you can use to email this information. So this is nft@binance.com. So that's it, guys. Hope you understand how to apply to be a content creator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe and do support my work, and do enjoy your day.